Oh, wow, the balance. He was very careful getting on the bed because we have tea and it's all full with hot water.
And we just changed the bed sheet
We
yesterday.
did. It's all white and nice. I love white.
And
bed
Yani
sheets.
didn't want me to.
I
Didn't want to
love-
move. Get sick.
Ew. Hey guys, it's Yani here. And we're back with another...
No.
Hey guys, it's Yani here.
I'm Fabio.
And we're back with another video. Today's video, we're gonna be watching Catriona Gray. Surprise, 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 surprise. Somebody commented, so rude this person. He just left a comment down the comment. Wow, you guys have no other content, eh? You just wanna make money off Catriona Gray. Well, guess what?
It's true. It's true.
It's true. But you know what?
No shame. No
Honestly though, I am Filipino, a gay Filipino, who happens to love pageant. And I told you guys, like the moment she won, I told you all that the video for this year is all gonna be Catriona Gray's journey. Because not only because we wanna make videos for views, but I actually genuinely wanna know what she is doing and how she's doing. Because I actually don't know what Miss Universe people do after they win.
I honestly, before this, I just saw they win and that's it.
And that's it. And they get the money, the crown, and is there even the money?
Anyways, I'm not Filipino. I have no excuse. The guy was right for me.
No, honestly, guys, I'm actually genuine. Like, I wanna know. I wanna be Catriona's best friend.
Yeah, no.
So
I wanna know about her but mostly about her boyfriend.
which we haven't seen a lot. So this one is a 25-minute interview. So since this is a 25-minute video, we're gonna post it two different parts, split it into different parts.
They don't need to know.
So this is part one. Without further ado, please subscribe to this channel, like our videos, follow us on Instagram. We have Instagram accounts. Oh my god, we have Instagram
And our
accounts.
Facebook page too.
Yes, our Facebook page. We need some love on our Facebook page because it's new. We just started it last year. December, actually.
Last year.
Last month.
Like 2 weeks ago, basically.
Yeah, like last month. We started it last month. So please give it some love. Anyway, without further ado, let's get right into the video. I love you guys. Please leave some love comments. No hate. Just love. I know where that is from.
I like his comments actually. They make me laugh.
That's crazy. I'm sitting here like beaming.
Outfit.
That's crazy.
Outfit, hair. Let's talk about it.
That's crazy. She's funny.
Let's
She's funny.
see
this
that
girl.
again.
Oh shit.
That's crazy.
Outfit, hair, makeup. Let's talk about it.
Wow. She's not wearing her ponytail, but she's wearing the Miss Universe.
This is the hair that she wore during prelim. Prelim. How do you say that?
Preliminary.
Preliminary. There you go. She looks like she's not wearing any foundation at all. Maybe it's just some BB cream or like a
know.
very sheer foundation. Very light eyeshadow and very nude lip.
Very nude, it's red. What are you talking about?
Oh, it's not like out of the blue. It's just
It's
like
out
a
of the
natural.
red.
It's also like natural.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
And the outfit, the dress. She looks like she's wearing the garden or something. There's a lot of vines, flowers. She's cute. Look at that. Anyway.
Sitting here like beaming watching that. I obviously was not the person who became Miss Universe 2018. And the one thing that I have to ask, I'm sure you hardly
This is in New
remember
York.
it, but I know
What TV
Demi,
show
who's
is
the
this?
previous Miss Universe was the one that crowned you, and I noticed that she whispered something in your ear.
Yeah, what did she
Every time I
whisper?
watch this, I want to know what she said.
Let's guess. Let's guess what she said.
She said, "You bitch. You didn't let South Africa win."
I think she did. You'll never be as pretty as me. Fucking shit.
You know what? Because she was mad at her, you didn't let Africa win. Because not once in the history of Miss Universe, a country won consecutively twice.
Oh.
Miss Colombia, the year before Pia won, it was Miss Colombia. And the next year, it was Miss Colombia and Philippines.
Oh my goodness.
And it was supposed to be consecutive, but Philippines ended up the winner. And
Oh,
that
wow.
year,
Oh,
South
wow.
Africa, this whole thing. So that's what she whispered to her.
Well, actually, she was like, it's a little bit loose, so be careful, doesn't fall off.
Oh, is that what she said?
Practical said, hi, everyone.
Not even
I'm so happy to be
congratulations.
here. My name is
Not even
Catriona.
Catriona.
I've been looking forward to this interview all week.
Oh, I'm very excited.
Yeah.
Well, we have the crown right here, and I'm super excited excited about that too because it is beautiful, and I might just have to.
I want to
steal
see a
it.
closer shot.
But I like that it was something
Oh
as
wow!
Look at the pearls.
That's actually beautiful.
Oh my goodness, it didn't look like that in the video.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, camera could be deceiving.
practical as that because I thought it was going to be something like super inspiring.
I'm actually so
That would've
interested
just
watching
gotten us
this. I'm
started
just not
through
gonna
one year
react.
really
I'm just
younger
gonna
at
watch
that
this.
point. So any advice
Look at the
I'm sure you could
shoes.
have gotten at that point was welcomed.
Well, I think at that point I was just, I don't know if you guys have ever known this, or like when you get into that situation and your adrenaline's pumping and everything's just happening at 1,000,000 miles an hour, and I couldn't absorb anything. That whole night
I
after
bet.
the crown was placed
Oh.
on my head just felt like I was in a dream state.
Oh, I
didn't
bet.
I
feel it,
bet.
Which, I know a lot of girls say this, but it's true. And then
Build
how,
series. What is a
how
build?
do you even process something that would happen in a matter of seconds? To be
Yeah.
announced
That's so
as this
true.
universe, it really just takes
And the
so long
millions
to
of
sink
people
in.
watching it.
Yeah.
And I mean, it's not your first time being crowned and getting an incredible title. So even when you became Miss Philippines, how does that compare to now becoming Miss Universe?
It's so different because competing for Miss Philippines, I really just feel like I'm a candidate. I'm not representing my country just yet.
True.
So when I do get the honor of knowing that I'll wear a Philippine sash, I really wanted to embody it in every aspect.
Yeah,
so
it's a
even
hard sash
as
to
Miss
live up
Philippines, in
to.
my wardrobe, I wanted to showcase the Filipino textiles, our fabrics.
And can we just talk about how she's the first one candidate from the Philippines who did that, who actually thought about Philippines,
I loved it.
who went from the culture from the north all the way to the south and incorporated that into the pageant.
Yeah. I love because there was like a real thought and so much effort behind it. It was not just like go on stage and look gorgeous, whatever.
Yeah,
No,
This
here
is-
was like I'm gonna embody the whole country.
the whole country. I got you
our
all.
silhouettes and our symbolism.
Yeah, look at
and I
that.
researched about our culture and our history, and
We can tell you
there's so
research,
much
Catriona,
more
and we're so
to it.
proud of you.
It wasn't just I'm candidate number this. I'm a Miss Philippines, and this sash is not just lettering; it's a country. So there was
Wow.
that way. Yeah.
Oh my
Definitely. And
God, I got
if you're
goosebumps
Egypt,
with that
I
answer.
can't even imagine then getting whisked away to New York of all places. So you were in Thailand representing the Philippines, and then you get taken to America, and it's just it's so much, and I'm sure you kind of just lose track of who you are, what you're even doing in those moments. Now that you're settled here, is it crazy to think that you're representing the Philippines, but now you're living in the U.S.?
No, definitely.
Oh, she lives in the US?
There
Oh,
is
wow.
that
For a
whole
year?
realization of, oh, wait, I'm not just speaking mainly to Filipinos anymore. I'm speaking to a global audience. And with that comes an amazing
Right.
platform, but also I really have to learn as I go along. Like, wow, what an amazing and huge responsibility I've been given.
Yeah.
So I'm really just learning every step of the way. Actually, after I was crowned in Thailand, in Bangkok, I was able to go back home to the Philippines.
Oh, she
So
did.
I hid all Christmas.
She probably ate.
I haven't done any media. We're going back for my homecoming, but so I was a hermit for Christmas and New Year. But everyone was just so excited. Everyone's spirits were so high, and just to think that I was able to bring that kind of joy to people that I've never met.
Oh, so my God, it's gonna be so exciting, her
Videos and
homecoming.
everything was just-
Yeah.
It really overwhelms me, and it really.
This
just
is a
makes me
nicer
feel like,
interview. This is a
wow,
full
I
episode
bring
just for her.
so much joy to
Look how
people,
she's
and it
speaking
really
like so confidently. It's like she's
And
She's
you're
not
talking
trying.
about
She
was born
universal
to be in front of the
platform. I think you're
camera.
kind of
Yes.
the perfect person for this role. You grew up in Australia. Your dad is Scottish, and your mom is Filipino, and then you moved to the Philippines. You also went to school in the U.S.
Yes, I studied by correspondence.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you kind of have done it, seen it all, I feel like. So how are you going to take those experiences and living in these two very different countries and experiencing different cultures
must have been
into
very
your
eye-opening.
role as Miss Universe?
I really feel that growing up in a cohesion of cultures really made me have an open mind to how different cultures can be, the different traditions that they carry, how that makes them affect how they treat different people, how they go about their lives,
She
the
says
values that are
carry.
ingrained to them. So I grew up with that, with the best of both worlds. I really feel like, and I had the pleasure of traveling a lot in my life, so I think it really helped me just have an open mind to be more understanding. And I think that's one of the beauties of a competition like Miss Universe, where you get women from all over the world coming together, and we get to share
You can
about
see the
not
passion
only
in
like
her
our
eyes.
favorite places
You
in
can
our
see the
country,
passion
or
burning
to
in her
find out where we
eyes.
want to go, but also like how is it that we go about our daily lives? What are our values that were taught to us by our families? What was ingrained to us by our societies or our communities? And it opens up the most interesting conversations, and I think that's a great thing. Yeah.
Yeah, I even
Wow.
saw just
Shit.
doing some research and seeing
I
what
love
people were
her
saying on
passion.
Twitter. There were a ton of people from Australia
Are
that
you in
were
love
like,
with her
wait,
now?
she's ours.
I was
Which I
already
thought was really
since
funny.
Pini Pini Filipina.
And also, like, was it weird at all to be competing against Miss Australia?
No.
Oh,
'cause
that's
I really
true.
feel like I'm Miss
Yeah.
Philippines. I feel like a Filipina, like a Filipino woman. It just so happens that when I was growing up, I was very much an Australian, and I think you can be both. I mean, because I did grow up with those
Amen.
two sides of the world, if you would. And I just thought it was funny that there was almost a war. Like, no, she's ours. She's practically a Miss Australia, but I am a Miss Philippines. But I can't blame them for being excited, from really feeling the high spirits of the season.
How old is she? She talks like she has a lot of experiences in her
I
life
know.
Well, you
already.
also competed. You were Little Miss Philippines.
I was like,
Oh, yeah, the
you-
picture that
you've
we saw
rocked this
yesterday.
title for a while. Can you tell us a little bit about those younger experiences?
I think it's so funny because everyone always says, like, this can't be your first pageant. And I try to tell them, I'm really not a pageant girl. I never dreamed of being a beauty queen, which is true, but it's hard to justify when it's like, well, when you were 5, you were in Little Miss Philippines, right? Blame my mom for that. My mom and my dad are just the proudest parents, and I'm very blessed to have such supportive parents. And yeah, I was 5 years old. I did Little Miss Philippines. I don't remember much, but I know that in the talent competition, I danced and lip synced to Stop Right Now by the Spice Girls.
Oh my god.
That's amazing.
I had a matching silver outfit, and I was just, I was feeling myself.
I
Feeling
love
myself.
that. And you
That's so
were
funny.
lip singing, but you actually sing.
Yeah.
So you went
Yeah,
to school
I'm
for
beautifully.
music. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
I have a master's certificate in music theory from Berkeley, and music is just something that's really been throughout my whole life. I grew up with 3 generations of music because my dad was born in the 40s, my mom was born in the 60s, and I'm born in the 90s. So you can imagine our radio at home is always skipping around the
Wow.
different generations, and I was always in school choir growing up. I was the leader of my jazz band. I was in musicals, so I don't know. I had never planned on pursuing music, but when I think about it, it's really something that I've always been passionate about. It's always something
That's
that brought me
good.
so much joy. So,
She's so talented.
Yeah,
This girl
it's
is
something I
so
definitely
talented
want
and
to
so
pursue.
smart.
and actually, a month and a
The-
half ago, I
like, if you
believe,
look at
I
the work that
actually
she's
released my
done
first
for
original
Miss
co-release
Universe.
together.
Oh my god, that's
Like
amazing.
all the video productions.
I feel like you're like the true triple threat when I hear about all
Yeah.
this.
I feel like she's the
But one
first
thing
Miss
that you're
Philippines
talking
who
a ton
done
about
everything.
Is obviously your childhood and your foundation, your roots with your
That's true.
parents and growing up. And I think that's really important to your platform because now you're kind of looking to give back to children and invest in their education. So can you tell us about your platform a little bit?
Yeah, so of course I grew up in Australia and I found myself in the Philippines. I had
These
never
interviews make us
experienced
get to
poverty
know her
firsthand.
better.
Like,
A
of
lot.
course, I've seen it on the TV,
Actually, it's
on
a very
the news,
detailed.
Yeah.
on social media feeds, but when I was able to experience it myself, like being there and seeing it and sensing it with all of my senses and just seeing the reality of it, it impacted me so strongly. Especially, I found myself in a place called Tondo, Manila. It's literally within Manila, our capital city of the Philippines.
Mm.
And it's
I've never
known
been
as
to
a
Manila,
garbage
but-
dump where all of the trash from the city goes. And
I have
families
been.
there, the majority of them make a living from scavenging through
Did
the
you
trash.
hear what she said?
and
All the
finding and selling
trash go
recyclables
to
feed their
Tondo.
families. So if you can imagine, the scenery there is quite. It's very. It really impacted me when I saw it. And in the heat of the summer day, these families, they don't have air cons, they don't have proper homes. And if you imagine that impact on the children, where they
Yeah.
don't even have toys to play with, but they find things in the trash. And, some of them don't get the reality of an education. And maybe if they do end up going to school, they get pulled out early just to help their families make ends meet. So when I saw this, I was like, how lucky am I that I was born into a circumstance that I was able to be given an education?
Mm.
And these children were just born into this circumstance. It's not fair.
Wow.
So that's why I'm so passionate about
Wow.
Oh my
education.
God.
The way she said it, it's not fair.
The way that was the golden moment there when she said, "That's not fair." Let's recreate that. How about you say it, Fabio, first?
That's not fair.
Eh.
Miss Italy, Bali.
Miss Italy.
But I could see Boyabunda flipping from his chair. I'm like, Walker!
Let me try saying it. It's not fair.
Wow. Where were you looking at? Your credit card?
Yeah.
It's not fair.
Our credit card.
Education also, because I feel that if you give a child an education, it's something that they can never lose. And it's also a way to break the cycle of poverty. You know, if you
Wow.
give a child an education and give them a love for learning, they could have
true.
an academic career and then hopefully find work that could pull their family out of that circumstance. So I work with an organization called Young Focus Philippines, and they give free education and free access to quality education.
That's good.
Wow.
Wow. I agree
Wow.
what she said in the end because you know what? Here's what it is though. She's lived both worlds.
Yeah.
She has seen Australia, USA, all the Western
Yeah.
rich countries, and she has also seen Philippines,
Yeah.
just like me. I'm not trying to joke here. Honestly, that's when I went home this year. That's when I realized, like, oh my God, we live such two different worlds.
It is.
Like,
it is very
it's
true.
crazy.
And I also got the chance to visit Philippines, as you know, guys. And
So he's seen Philippines actually.
it really opened my eyes. Not just Philippines, actually, but many other countries around the area. And
But not all part of Philippines. We're not saying not all,
not all
parts of
not
Philippines
all,
is like sad.
but that's where I saw the biggest gap between
Our world here.
rich Filipinos
Yes.
and very poor ones.
Unfortunately, there's still hierarchy in that. Whatever.
Yeah. So, well,
Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna end the part 1 here. Stay tuned for the next video for part 2, and we'll see you all next time. Bye, guys.
I.